Hi folks, welcome to Showcase Mitsubishi. My name's Mike and I'm here to show you the Outlander standard vehicle. The Outlander is a nicely trimmed standard with this headlights being halogen with LED running lights. It also has this chrome facing that looks very elegant when you put these chrome pieces around the bumper. It gives it a really nice appearance from the front. Also, what you get with the standard Outlander is this breakaway mirror. In front of the mirror is this 18-inch dual colored alloy wheel with the alloy wheel and its tires giving you the good traction that you need for the front wheel drive. Behind and underneath this that you can't see is a braking system that is symbiotic with 3 different systems working together to ensure that your safety, being #1 priority with Mitsubishi, starts with being able to stop, if that makes sense. Now, along with the streamlines of elegance look, you have all of this nice trim around. When you get to the back, you'll notice that the entry to the back seat is in front of the tire. Okay, that's a feature to make it easy for entering and egressing. So you don't have to step over the wheel and step up over the wheel. It's to be able to slide in and out with ease. Easy entering and egressing, which is going to become important because also standard with the Outlander is 3rd row seating. So when you have to get into the back, move this up, slide this forward, move this a little bit, and you have easy entry into the 3rd row seating. And when I step away, you'll be able to see that. Easy entering and egressing. Now, doesn't that look slick? Very nicely done. Also, as you come to the back of the vehicle, you'll see that the lighting is for tail lighting is also LED. Makes it real easy to be bright even through the thickest snow here in Michigan. You'll still be able to see those as they get messed up due to the Michigan winters, and we all know how that works. These will be able to be laid down as well as the 2nd row seating, so you'll have all that cargo space should you require that. We'll keep going around here. Oh, also too, you have the rear wiper, enhanced by the rear window defrost that's also standard. In the front of the vehicle, you'll notice as soon as you look inside that you have 6-position seating with a power lumbar on the driver's seat. You'll also notice that the window controls for all 4 of the windows here in the 2020 Outlander are one-touch control to go up and down for all of the windows from the driver's seat. When you step in, you're able to adjust the steering wheel up and down, but also back and forth, which makes it real nice to be able to get comfortable in your seating position and feel confident going down the road that you're able to have it exactly the way that's best for you, for each individual driver. You also have a 7-inch screen to be able to do all of your media. You have either Apple Play or you have Android Auto. You have Bluetooth availability. You have all of the modern features. You have also down here you'll be able to plug in your phone for your Apple Play or your Android Auto. You have your climate control, available right within reach. You have your radio controls to be able to turn it up and down and change the stations with the old-fashioned knobs without having to take your eyes off the road. You can change it that way, or over on your steering wheel here there's your radio controls as well. You also have your phone controls over here at your left thumb. You have your cruise control at your right thumb. So as you're driving, everything is within proximity for you to feel safe and be safe for the other drivers that are out on the road as well. You also have a traction control, anti-sway system, standard. And what I'm telling you all is all of this stuff is standard feature in the 2020 Outlander. The heated seats are standard feature in the Outlander. You also have the park, and you have the auto hold, which leads me to tell you about the transmission, or one of the symbiotic braking system features is if you're on a hill and you're braked at a hill and waiting for that light to turn, once you let off the brake and switch to the gas, the feature in the braking will not allow you to go backwards before you go forward. Everything's done for safety first with Mitsubishi, so much so that not only the side airbags in the seat, but in the frontal airbags in the front for both passenger and driver. There's also a knee airbag, which is really astounding. I've never seen that before. But with Mitsubishi, your safety comes number one. So I don't know with the standard Outlander what more you need, but we're going to talk about other trim levels in other videos. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at Showcase Mitsubishi. Our number here is 989-684-0500, or come and see us